Are you looking for new ways to keep your furry friend mentally stimulated? Look no further. In today's video, we'll be showing you some brain training tips and tricks for your canine companion. Get ready to unlock your dog's genius. First up, we have the classic treat hiding game. Hide a treat under one of 3 cups and let your dog use their sense of smell to find it. This game not only exercises their brain but also their nose. Next, let's try some puzzle toys. These interactive toys challenge your dog's problem-solving skills while keeping them entertained. Fill them with treats and watch as your pup figures out how to retrieve them. Another fantastic brain training exercise is teaching your dog new tricks. From simple commands like sit and stay to more advanced ones like shake hands or roll over, training sessions are a great way to engage your dog's mind. You can also try scent work with your dog. Hide their favorite toy or a treat and let them find it using their incredible sense of smell. This not only provides mental stimulation but also taps into their natural instincts. Lastly, don't forget the power of positive reinforcement. Whenever your dog completes a brain training task successfully, reward them with praise, petting, or a tasty treat. This will encourage them to continue working hard and enjoying the process. So, there you have it. A variety of brain training tips and tricks to unlock your dog's genius. Remember to keep the sessions short and fun, and always tailor them to your dog's abilities and interests. Get ready to witness your dog's intelligence in action. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And as always, feel free to comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time.